the prior the more. Millions of the men will be up. You cannot preach, and you came here for the sun. You come because you want your name to be the last one of the day. But the big victory was won today. But the victory is not your feet. Did not Nico Aquiles? The battle was won with so close. Soldiers know. History remembers that it is not a story. What do you want from me? Take everything you want. Your men started the temple of the you want to go? Take what you want. Offense! Head! I have no part in you, brother, but you'll never see home again. You know to let her go.
Nothing says.
Jones, you fought with me for 40 years. Can we win this war? Our walls have never been reached. Our archers are the best of the world. And we are Hector.
I spoke with the person to Jane. They saw an eagle flying with the grass of the flowers. It's time from Apollo. We will win a great victory tomorrow. Besides, you want to plan our strategy based on bird sight?
Hector, show respect the high priest to the servants of the gods.
I'm a servant of Troy. Today I fought with the great to display the stallion. Apollo did ensure the man down. The God will fight this war for us.
There won't be a war. This is not only competition. It's a dispute between two men, and I don't want to see another. Rather than die because of me. Hurry! Tomorrow morning, I will challenge Menelaus for the right to Helen. The winner will take her home. The loser will burn before night